Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I've got another nice, quick and easy recipe for you, egg korma curry, and I'm going to get straight into it. Okay guys, so for this dish I'm going to start off by putting the onions in oil and getting them brown. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I'm going to put in 2 medium onions cut up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And just give that a mix and let them go nice golden brown. Okay guys, these are gone a nice golden brown, so I'm going to take them out and put them to the side and let them cool down. And once they've cooled down, I'm going to blend them down. Okay guys, like I said, so I've took the onions out, I'm going to let them cool down, and also I've got a half a cup or a quarter of a cup of cashew nuts. I'm going to mix them both up once they've cooled down, and I'm going to blend them both in the blender. Okay guys, I've hard boiled 6 eggs here. Okay guys, so you're going to just stab it just a bit in, about a quarter of an inch in, all over the egg, just so the masala goes in when we mix it in. You'll do that to all of them. Okay, you place them all in the bowl then, once you've pierced them. Then you'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder, also known as haldi powder. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. And half a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Just roll them around in there so the masala's on all over the eggs. Okay guys, so we'll move on to the next procedure. For this you're going to need 4 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. And then just add the eggs in that's been coated with that masala now. Just roll them around in the pan. Okay, once they've got a nice golden brown, just take them all out. Takes only a few minutes like. Okay guys, so that 1 cup of oil I used to get the onions nice and golden brown at the start, I'm going to reuse that oil. Put that back in the pan. Okay guys, once you put the oil in, then add some curry leaves, a few sticks of cinnamon sticks, green cardamoms, about 4 or 5, and a couple of cloves. Give it a bit of a mix. You're going to keep this on a low heat. Then add some 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of each. And you'll cook that until it's a nice golden brown, the ginger and garlic paste. Once the garlic and ginger paste goes nice golden brown, I'm going to add 2 tomatoes blended down to a nice paste. Bismillah. I'm going to give that a mix. So I used 2 tomatoes blended down to a nice paste. Give that a good mix then. Okay, once you've cooked the tomatoes will be cooking for a good few minutes now. They're nicely blended in and cooked. I'm going to add the onions and the cashew nuts blended. Add them in now after I've blended them. I'm going to give this a mix now. Just mix it in now so the onions and the cashew nuts are mixed with that tomato and the oil and all them cardamoms and everything. Okay, once you mixed it all in, just add a bit of water. Just drops, really, sprinkle it and keep on mixing it so you don't stick to the pan and you don't burn. That's nicely mixed in now. I'm going to cook that on a medium heat for a bit. Okay, once this has been cooking for a good few minutes, I've turned it to low heat and I'm going to add the rest of the herbs and spices. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. whole coriander seeds just crushed up slightly. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder. Yes. Half a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Yes. I did add some in the original mixture over there, and I mixed it with the eggs, the salt as well. So you don't overdo it. Give that a good mix then. Yes. And then just add a bit more water in. Yes. Just drops really, sprinkle it. Yes. Okay, once you cook this for a good few minutes and it's nicely mixed in, add 1 cup of yogurt. Bismillah. And give that a good mix. Look at the colour on that now. MashaAllah. Okay guys, the gravy, the masala is ready now, so I'm just going to add the eggs in. Bismillah. Let's give it a good mix. Try not to break the eggs. I'll just sprinkle some water over it. Bismillah. Give that a good mix. Bismillah. Beautiful. Once you put the water in, give it a good mix, let it cook for a bit, and then just add 2 chilies, whole chilies, and a bit of coriander. Bismillah. And save some for later on top. Once I've cooked it for a few minutes, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Bismillah. Okay, I've added that water. I'm going to cook it for a bit. Bismillah. And you can cook it until you get the gravy as you like it. So I'm going to leave this gravy a bit watery, not too thick. Once I've given it a good mix and let it cook for a bit, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala. And 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, also known as fenugreek leaves. And then give that a good mix. It's on low heat now. Beautiful curry. Quick and easy. Okay guys, this is nice and ready now. Smells beautiful. I'll take it out and I'll show you this. Mashallah guys, the egg korma curry is ready, and it's an excellent dish, a quick dish to make. I'm just going to sprinkle some coriander on it. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do have a go. It's just an awesome dish, a quick and easy dish. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.